An Orange County father is sharing the tough story of finding out his loved one was on the brink of ending their life.
WESH 2's Christina Watkins shares the important lesson that he hopes all families will learn.
I wasn't prepared for how my family member felt and how they were suffering.
It's not easy for Christopher Martin to speak so openly about his loved one and their new journey through mental health. He, like many parents, are trying to help kids through the crisis.
With the access to social media and the internet, the access that they have, ironically, they can be so much more lonely than we were.
Martin says his loved one was suffering before his eyes with suicidal thoughts, and the Orange County father will be the first to admit it's easier said than done to pick up on those signs.
What did that look like? Because sometimes for other families to identify it, they're looking specifically for actions or something written.
I didn't know it was happening. Until I got a call from somebody at school. It said, hey, they're thinking about doing this. I found out after the fact there had been self-harm. So there had been cutting. Not cutting with the intent to end their life. Just there was self-harm. There was also self-harm in the way of eating disorders.
Martin is one of many families going through this. We sat down with Wendy McCarty Van Bemmel, a licensed mental health counselor in Central Florida.
That our kids are coming in with an escalated level of anxiety, escalated levels of depression. And we're seeing an increase in our kids' volume, specifically with our adolescents. So we're seeing about a 4% increase throughout our kids.
She says even though more young people are using their facilities and services, there's some good news in the numbers.
I'm always really happy to see our kids be able to talk about mental health and be so open about it. The thing that we should be concerned about is getting our kids into care when they need it and knowing what to look for, whether it's an outpatient provider or you start to see some of those signs, is getting kids into care.
For Martin, he's grateful his loved one told somebody so he could get them the life-changing care they needed, which they found at La Amistad Behavioral Health Services in Maitland.
They were given the tools to dig themselves out of their hole.
He hopes by sharing his story, parents and guardians learn to listen and kids understand you don't have to fight this battle alone.
They just needed somebody who was going to show up no matter how they treated me, no matter how they treated themselves, just show up.
In Orlando, Christina Watkins, WESH 2 News.
Central Florida has plenty of mental health resources for people in need.
Yeah, there's 988, the number to the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. If you're underinsured or don't have insurance at all, reach out to the Mental Health Association. They have the only free outlet clinic in Central Florida. Now, there's also the National Alliance on Mental Illness of Greater Orlando. This organization offers free classes for families to learn more about mental health. We have all of this information and more posted at WESH.com.